Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about GrooveFunnels, which is giving you a $99 per month absolutely free, where you get a free lifetime account access to the Groovepages and Groovesell. No credit card required ever. So it's an amazing, it says free lifetime account for Groovepages and Groovesell. I was checking on this, I'm doing a test on this, but trust me, it's one of the best. I have checked it, how this works, and it is amazing. Most of the questions I would be getting that I'm using a ClickFunnels and it cost me $97 per month. So what is an alternative where we can get the same feature and functionality, where there is a pre-built sales funnels and all this stuff? And to build your own sales funnel to sell any digital product, this is the best, what I want to say, because it's absolutely free, and the duration for the free is just for the cause of COVID-19 crisis. Okay, so you need to go ahead and register as soon as possible before this offer goes off, because it says $99 per month and it says free lifetime access. So that means whoever register in this time will get the access to this Groovepages and Groovesell absolutely free. So if you're starting out the business, and if you're already into a business, or you want to save a lot of money in the crisis is going on at this moment, they're not even asking you a credit card details, so it's great to go ahead and sign up. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what exactly this is. GrooveFunnels is a funnel building product. Okay, that is a funnel builder. So how you have a ClickFunnels and other funnel builders, the same way it is an alternative to that. So it says the free ways to build a funnel and sell the digital product. Your complete digital product and services online is a online sales system, complete digital product and services online sales systems. So this is what they are providing. They have this, we call this as, which says the #1 new sales page and funnel building platform is now 100% free. So it's great, right? So it says sales page, you can create a sales page, funnel, everything. And it also said here that no credit card required ever. So they are saying that no credit card required ever if you're using a free tool. Okay, free services, no fees ever, it's just a free. So all the tools you need to run an online business. What are the features and functionality? Let's check here. It says everything you need to sell the product and services online, not just a page and funnel building. It also gives you a free unlimited product. So that means you can create a products inside that, it's free. It says building a brand website with a full navigation. It says free custom domain. They're providing a free bandwidth and hosting. You don't have to purchase any hosting, right? So if you are having a WordPress, then you need to purchase a hosting. So it's good to get there, like it is, they are providing a hosting inside, so you don't have to have a hosting. Just go ahead and sign up and get started here. Okay, so the free sales products, one-click upsell, downsell, and order bumps. Great functionality here once again. And it says the world's most powerful affiliate programs and powerful automated behavior based email marketing based on tagging, optional with Groove email. So membership site platform option with Groove members, and powerful video marketing built-in rights and options with Groove videos. So you can see that the features what has been required to create any sales funnel, that is upsell, downsell, order bump, and one-click installation. They are providing the hosting, they are providing the custom domain, they are talking about the build branding a website with the navigations, and it's also providing with the affiliate marketing program. That means you can create your own affiliate marketing program. Inside might be, this is a pro version, this is all the pro versions what you'd be getting. Some of them are launching, they are I believe they are looking for something good in the future. Okay, and here you can see that you can go ahead and sign up. So let's see what all you will be getting in the free tool. Okay, So you can see that it has great potential. It is a new company which has been launching, and they are going to be taking to the next level, I believe, because what they're providing here right now is amazing, as they're providing all this features and functionality, and you will get all this upsells, downsells and all, and it is going to be good. So what you need to do right now is, I have given the link in the description, and you need to click on that link and go ahead, and it will take you to this page. Okay, there you need to go ahead and provide your first name, last name, email address and username, and just click on this. You will go to the next page. Okay, now we will just go ahead and log in inside, and let's see how this GrooveFunnel works. Okay, this is my free account, and once we are inside here, yeah, as you can see that it's the welcome page. Okay, and this is how it looks. Okay, this is the one page. You can see at the left side it says Groovepage and Groovesell, which says get started, what's to upgrade an affiliate program. So once we go to the Groovepage, as you can see that it's where you can create your own funnels, that is pages, that is landing page, funnels with the help of Groovepage. And which says GrooveFunnel is currently in a beta version. Okay, a lot of the I have already tested it. As you can see, there is a one site. You will get the 3 more sites. Okay, the 3 sites you would be getting here with the GrooveFunnel. So one I have tried already, so I will just open it and I will show you how you can create one for your business. So it's easy to create a funnel, and if you want to get started here, I think this is the one of the best option what GrooveFunnels has given you. So you can create the blocks here. So this is Somshekhar Math. I've just chosen this template to show you how the Shopify. But as you can see here, once you click on this blog, you will be able to see this all features and functionality. You just need to go ahead and drag and drop it here. It's so easy. So I have just drag and drop here, and if you want to see how it works, so I want to show you how it works. Okay, so you want to choose a name and email address. Just need to drag and drop. That's it, and you will be able to see that container here. So this is the blocks. Okay, this is the blocks. What you can see, all these things you can just need to drag and drop, and you can build your own website. So the second elements what we have here is you can have the container, columns, all this. Okay, so in the next video I will cover with insights about how it works, but we will just go through with this, just an overview about this. So it says that what are the pages, that is creating home page, thank you page, funnels and all. You can also create a pop-up, that is pop-up window, that is exit intent technology, what you can use it once someone signs up. You can see it, you have all these features and functionality, tiles and all. So it's a good one. Once you are in, you can go ahead and do a test on this GrooveFunnel and get sign up with my link. Okay, so now you will have a Groovesell. That's good. That means you can sell inside. All right, so you can sell inside the GrooveFunnel. They have given you a cart where you can go ahead and sell your own services, products and all. Once you create the landing page, you can able to see all these things. All right, so it says total sales, how you have made, what are the new sales and rebillings, what are the new revenue, everything, the funnel system, the profits you're making, net profits, what day you say, you can see everything, right? So it's a good. So we need to go ahead and hands on this. So I'm just testing out this last 7 days, and it's I believe it's good one to go ahead and check on this. And also it says then affiliate commission, how much you had made. As I said that it is building right now, it's in a beta list right now. Everything is not yet done, but only you will get an access to the free account, that is Groovepage and Groovesell. Okay, so you also have a Groovemail where you can configure the mail inside this, so where you have an autoresponders, all the features and functionalities, and also Groove videos, Groove members. But once you click on this, you will not see anything. here. So once I go with the group blog, okay, you can also create a blog. So once I go to this, I have tested it, but I believe it's not yet done. They are trying to make it done for you as soon as possible, but as they are saying that they would be launching, it says coming later this year. So they are trying to make this. And also Groove webinars, the same thing, okay, Groove calendars, e-commerce, again the same thing. They are creating a Groove cart. So this all are been launching in the future. The affiliate marketing here. So once you click on this, it's affiliate marketplace is coming in May. So all this are not yet done, but they are trying the level best to get everything inside. This is an all-in-one program. And also you see the Groove Digital Academy, where you can have your own membership site, how you have it teachable, right? You can have your own Groove Digital Academy where you can create your own course creation inside this. So it's great for affiliate marketers, course creators, coach, consultant, right? If you can create your own academy here. You can host your live webinar here. You can post your articles. Everything is inside here. So I believe this is quite good all-in-one program they are providing, creating a sales pages, sales funnels, thank you pages, emails, and they have affiliate marketing inside if you want to do an affiliate marketing with this. So they also have a membership sites. Great, it's for e-commerce. They have options. They have a marketplace options like affiliate marketing and Groove marketplace. They have also have an app store, that is multi-vendor marketplace, SDK and APK, that is integrations with all this email responders. If you're using any integrations like Zapier and all, they're providing you that. Groove Digital Academy. Great, I believe this is good. And also they are saying to join the group, you can just go ahead and click on this and join their group, because there are a lot of insights going on. So you can get into the premium version once there is an upgrade. If there is an offer going on, so you can go ahead and upgrade, because this is at the start they have this. And if you want to make money out of this, you can go to the Groove affiliate program and promote this Groove funnel, and you can start making money. And this is what about the Groove funnel review here. This is the inside about it. You can go to and join the Facebook group now. Okay, so this is about the Groove funnel. See you in the next video with one more tool and access. If you're one of them who are looking for an entrepreneurship, who want to make money online, if you are into an affiliate marketer, or you want to start your own online business, this is the best platform. This is the best channel of video. You can click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and if you like this video, please go ahead and share with someone who are in need, who have been stuck somewhere, because this is the free tool they are providing. Most of them, they don't know about it. So only 1% of the people know about this. So it's your responsibility to reach as many as people as you can by sharing this particular video, because this is what you have seen right now. You can just go ahead and share with your friends who are in need, because they can go ahead and access to the free tool and they can start the business from the day one. So thank you very much. I hope so you got all this Groove funnel review, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. This is your host Som signing off.